This guy was selling this for 125. I supposedly ran, cut, showed up to look at it, and didn't start. It was a bad starter. Starter didn't do nothing. And so he pretty much gave it to me for free. So I took it. You know, it's free. Free lawnmower. It's all there. But so I took the starter off of 12 horsepower brakes I have laying around, and I'm gonna put it on this. It doesn't say it fits. It says this is 14 to 20, but yeah, I'm thinking it might work. We'll see. So the free mower runs, cuts. The battery, which only had like around 8 volts, surprisingly, seems to be good. I don't know if it holds a charge over a couple of days more than just being able to fire up after shut off, but this is what was going on. We had some smoking, so wanted to see what we got. Some acorns, nice little nest, some creatures. What is that? It looks like a little body right there. Yeah, it is. It's a mouse. Look at the legs, tail. Or am I just seeing stuff and it's just sticks? I don't know. But doing an oil change takes 48 ounces 30 weight, but I'm about 12 ounces short, so probably pick up another bottle and just put the whole bottle in. It's easier than trying to figure out what's in there. Well, I'm just going to clean this up, spray it down. Could use a new air filter. There's no gas in it, so I didn't have no problem with the car once I got a lot of oil leak or something in there, maybe. Well, it's pretty dirty. Oh, now the tire's leaking. I was holding air until I rode around with it for about an hour. Definitely a mouse. I don't think I killed him though. He's been dead. He's been dead for a while. So this starter came off 12 horsepower. 12 and a half, I believe. Yeah, 12 and a half. This is a 14 and a half. This piece was a little bit taller, but everything else is the same. Same amount of holes. Doesn't say it fits under part numbers, but hey, it works. Kicks it over, so